Welcome back, guys. Just got back from a test drive in a 1986 Suburban. This one here is a 5.7 350 under the hood. It was a really good test drive. Runs and drives great. Definitely check that video out if you're interested in this one. I can help you out with financing or shipping. Just go to maplemotors.com. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day walking around these cars, taking them for test drives, and checking them all out for you. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We're gonna start up here in the front. Any little flaws that I see, I will point out. Kind of like the valence at the bottom here is all messed up. Probably gonna need a new one of those. Well, it's not quite messed up. It's actually in pretty good shape. I thought it was bent back. The other side matches. This one's got a crack in it though. It does have light oxidation popping up on the bumper. It still looks pretty good. Just a little pitting in the chrome is what I mean. I'm getting all up and close with it. You can see headlight bezels look pretty good. There's a little red behind the grille there. Tires are in pretty good shape on this truck. I guess this truck was red at one time. Someone repainted it. Looking at the bottom of the truck for any kind of rust, damage. Looks like the back passenger door has got some bubbles popping up on it in the corner. Both corners of that door. There's a light scratch coming from here to here, all the way across. They had a sticker on here at one time, and it kind of left a little bit of a scratch mark there. I recall a panel being on the side of these. That's probably where that mark came from. It does look a lot cleaner with it off of the truck. Light scratch back there in the corner. Back bumper's in pretty good shape. Basically the same stuff as the front. Little light scratching here and there. Does have the tow package. I think this is the roll down window. You pull the handle there. I'm supposed to be able to open it. Let's see what I'm doing wrong here. Been a while since I've opened one of these. Not 100% sure. I'll have to wait till the end of the video and figure out what I'm doing wrong here. Does have a mark back here, a dent. Light scratch there. There's a dent at the bottom of the driver's rear door. And the driver's door has got some small dents at the very bottom. There's some bubbles and some paint runs as well. Hey Jeff, do you remember how to open that back tailgate?
Roll down.
I rolled it down, but it was being difficult. Let's see what I did wrong. It's like it's getting stuck on the sides. I'll catch it. Two hand, that's what it is. Appreciate it. Somebody painted that on here. I'm not sure why. I would have definitely taped that off. It is missing one of the straps on this side. Looks pretty good in here. You can add another seat for the third row. You just roll the window back up. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out on this one. That was Jeff, by the way, guys. That's my uncle. We're all family up here. Door panel is in good shape. Checking out the bottom. Not too bad. Got the rubber mat. Weather stripping doesn't look bad around the door. There is some bubbling popping up right in here. Seats in great condition. Same with the back seats. Reach in here, turn the key, and oh. Belt's a little squeaky under the hood. Dash has got its flaws, but it's not all tore up. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Can hit the windshield wipers? They do. Blower motor works. AC's not kicking on. It's all under the hood. It's probably gonna need some work on the AC. Your gauges are working down here, but the temperature gauge seems to be stuck at 200 all the time. You see the oil pressure shoots up to about 45. It goes back down to 20. And try the horn. It works. I wonder if the power locks work still. Not this one, at least. Oh, I lied. Too soon. Spoke too soon. Just gotta jiggle it. Pretty quiet up under the hood. Shuts down nice and easy. Lines up good. All right, I'm going to be giving y'all some undercarriage shots here. We're going to look up under the front, the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side, and conclude this video. Be sure to look at the 100 detail pictures at maplemotors.com. appreciate y'all watching, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. You wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and see the test drive. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, and also all of our inventory. We post cars every single day. So I hope y'all join all our subscribers and jump on this page. We'll be getting to a lot this week. Try to take some of these new ones down the road, just like it's Nova. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate y'all watching.